Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're checking out the Hamilton Beach Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a 10-in-1 kitchen powerhouse that promises to make your cooking faster, easier, and healthier. Let's dive in and see what makes this gadget a must-have for your kitchen. First up, this oven packs a punch with 1,800 watts of power. It bakes food 28% faster and uses 60% less energy than traditional ovens. Imagine cooking an entire meal in less than 20 minutes. Perfect for those busy weeknights when you just want to get dinner on the table ASAP. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to the website where you can buy it at the best price. The Hamilton Beach Air Fryer Toaster Oven isn't just a one-trick pony. With 10 different cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, and dehydrate, you can whip up anything from crispy French fries to a perfectly baked pizza. And with its intuitive digital control panel, adjusting time and temperature is a breeze. Craving something crispy? This oven's air fry mode and 4 air fry presets ensure your food comes out perfectly browned and crispy every time. Whether it's fried chicken, chicken wings, or veggies, you'll get that delicious fried texture with little to no oil. Say goodbye to guilt and hello to healthier eating. Despite its compact footprint, this oven has plenty of room for all your cooking needs. It fits a 12-inch pizza, up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, or 6 slices of toast. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this oven has got you covered. And let's not forget the 2 rack positions that make multi-level cooking a snap. This oven comes with everything you need to get started: a metal mesh basket for air frying, a bake pan, and a broil rack. Plus, the slide-out crumb tray makes cleanup super easy. No more scrubbing and scraping, just pop it out, dump the crumbs, and you're good to go. Positive points: powerful 1,800 watts for faster cooking, multifunctional with 10 cooking options, efficient air fry mode for healthier meals, spacious interior fits large meals, easy to use digital controls and presets, compact design saves counter space, includes useful accessories for versatile cooking. Negative points: learning curve with multiple functions and settings. Large footprint might not fit all kitchens. So, should you add the Hamilton Beach Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven to your kitchen? Absolutely. It's powerful, versatile, and efficient. Everything you need in a countertop oven. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, this oven will make your life easier and your meals tastier. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.